Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a beauty haul for you guys. It's mostly skincare and makeup. So I did pick up a few items from like different stores and I found a lot of good new items that I wanted to try. So I will go ahead and go through them with you guys. Plus all the products will be listed down below. Now if you're interested in this look here, I did film this as a fall look and it will be on my channel either before this one or after my haul. Hopefully before this one. If you're new here, I would love for you to join my channel. Also hit that notification bell so you'll know when I put out a new video. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started with this haul. I have all the items sitting here on the floor beside me in a basket, so let's go ahead and pull them out. The first item is this Maneater Tarte Palette. I saw this at ULTA yesterday and I was not going to get this palette, but I started to swatch the shadows and the shadows actually felt like they were completely different than what I've known Tarte shadows to be. They seem like a little bit more buttery, a little bit more creamy. So I was super intrigued by this palette because like I said, I never have swatched a Tarte palette that felt like this. This is the packaging. Gorgeous, gorgeous packaging. I love this. It has like this embossing, which is kind of like supposed to be I guess a leopard or cheetah print. Yeah, I really love the sleek look of this packaging. The back is gold. It comes with a mirror and of course a little plastic protector. And these are the shades. And look how cute these shades are, the ones that have the little leopard spots on them. They're like embossed with that leopard spotting. It's so, so cute. But these shades are gorgeous, guys. They are so, so beautiful. Like I said, I swatched them and I was like so fascinated by the formulation. So I'm gonna be doing a tutorial or like a fall look using this palette because I think this is like super appropriate for fall. I just am like in love with these shades and the formulation. They're just so nice. So yeah, so I'll be doing that pretty soon. Another beautiful palette that I picked up is this Love Fest palette by Huda Beauty. I have not picked up a Huda Beauty mini palette like this in like forever. I think I had one and it really didn't impress me, so I took it back. But this one is like right up my alley. It is so gorgeous and the shades are, oh my gosh, they're just insanely beautiful. So this is what it looks like. It says Love Fest and it's kind of got this holographic type of cover. When you open it up, these are the shades. Look at that. I swatched these and oh my gosh, I am in love. I'm in love with this palette. So I cannot wait to use this. I may do a look with this on like date night or something because these are colors or shades that you would want to wear like when you go out. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be doing a look with this. And then I picked up another palette. I picked up another palette by Sigma because I have tried two of the Sigma palettes like these and I cannot believe how awesome the formulation is in these palettes. I get beside myself when I see these palettes and how wonderful they go on the eyes. This one I did pick up at Target. Target carries Sigma, but this is what the palette looks like. This one is called Hazy. So this one's along the lines of like purples and mauves and a little bit of like burgundy. So I really am gonna love this palette. Like I said, I love the formulation of these shadows. They always blow me away. I cannot wait to use this one. I have Ritzy and I have the one that's more like the green shades. That one's gorgeous too, but I love these. I love Sigma. I just can't believe it took me so long to purchase these palettes or even try their shadows. So two more eyeshadow palettes that I purchased are the Maybelline shadow blocks. So I purchased two of these. So this one is West 4th and Perry and this one is 82nd and Park. And they come like this. They're like these little stackable shadows. Kaja has stackable shadows that I love. So I'm going to show you 82nd and Park. These are the shades. So this one comes with this lighter shade. It comes with this shade, which is more of like a metallic shade, and then of course it comes with this shade right here, which is another matte shade. There's only 3 shadows in each block, but they're pretty compact in size. But here's the other one. This one's West 4th and Perry Street. I think these two are the newer ones in the line, but this is the matte shadow. Of course, there's a beautiful metallic shadow and then another matte shadow. But I thought these would be perfect for fall. So I may do another fall look using like drugstore product, putting these in there. And then I picked up some brushes, and I picked these up at Ulta. And I picked up 3 brushes from Real Techniques. I picked up a new Real Techniques setting brush. This one is so good, guys. It's so good to set like your concealer or even put highlighter on. I actually picked up 2 of these. So I have these 2 here. Like I said, they're such good brushes for that because they like fit perfectly right under that under eye, or they fit perfectly right on top of the cheekbone to distribute like that highlight product. Another one I picked up is the soft sculpting brush. I thought this one was pretty unique because it has like an angle to it. I don't know if you guys can see, but it has like an angle to it. It's one of the newer brushes, so I definitely wanted to pick this one up because I figured I would definitely use this like for cream bronzer. And then I ended up getting this Restore and Renew Face and Neck Multi-Action Day Cream by No. 7. I got this at Walmart, and I wanted to pick something up because here lately I've been trying to do like skin cycling, and if you don't know what that is, basically you use like a retinol one day, the next day you exfoliate your skin, and then on day 3 and 4 you kind of just do like whatever else you want to do to your skin, whether you want to wear a mask or just kind of like, you know, just use like moisturizer or even some serums. But I got this to use on my neck and on my face on those days when I'm not exfoliating or using my tretinoin. This is supposed to be for face and neck. It says your skin feels firmer in 4 weeks, so I will definitely test that out and let you guys know. It is a day cream, so it has an SPF of 30. Normally I use an SPF of 50. I'll just double up on the SPF, so that's not going to be a problem. But this cream is supposed to penetrate into your skin and prevent you from getting wrinkles, especially in the neck area, because I do use my tretinoin sometimes on my neck area, but at times it really irritates my neck because it's a prescription. So I want something that's going to be a lot better for my like sensitive areas. Let me show you guys what it looks like. I've tried No. 7 products before, and they've been really good for my skin. So again, it's this one right here. It's the Face and Neck Multi-Action Day Cream. So I will be using this during the day in the mornings, especially on my neck. Some products that I picked up at Walmart are these ITK products. Now, I don't know who the founders of this product is. It appeared to be like 2 young ladies, you know, probably in their maybe early 20s or late teens. But I thought that this was pretty interesting because these are products that are paraben and sulfate free, vegan and cruelty free, synthetic fragrance free. They have a recyclable box and bottle, and they're dermatologist tested. So basically the first product is this one right here. This is an exfoliating gel cleanser. I love exfoliating cleansers, number one, because I have melasma, but also when I do use the tretinoin cream and I'm gonna exfoliate the next day, I like a cleanser that's gonna exfoliate some of the, you know, dead skin or the excess skin that's coming off. So yeah, I got this for that. You can also scan the QR code and it'll give you all the information about this product. So the ITK is short for in the know. So this is what the bottle looks like, which I thought was really nice packaging, guys. It has that soft matte feel to it. It's a pump. You use this, of course, in AM, PM, but there's only going to be certain times when I do use this. And then I got these microneedle blemish patches for my daughter because she's always looking for those little patches to put on like acne. And she doesn't get a lot of acne, but when she does like to put like those patches on. So I figured I'd get her these. They have salicylic acid, niacinamide, and aloe vera. So the aloe vera kind of helps take the redness away, and then everything else works for the acne. So yeah, these I thought were a pretty good deal. There's like 6 in here. So yeah, I'll give her those after this video. The other thing I saw was this one right here, which is the Day and Night Eye Cream. I'm always looking for really good eye cream. I found one at Trader Joe's. I'm almost done with that. So I wanted to go ahead and buy this one because it depuffs and brightens in the AM and hydrates in the PM. So I need all of that. Here is the eye cream, and look at the packaging. It's so pretty. I just love the way it looks. And it has ITK on the cap. Now here's the cream. So one side is for PM and one side is for AM. So I'm assuming, and I don't see which one is for PM. What I'll do is I'll scan that QR code on the front of the box. I'll scan that and see if maybe I can find out a little bit more about this, because one of them is more like a gel-like consistency and the other one's like a cream. I assume the one that's like gel-like would probably be more like for the morning time, and then the cream would probably be more for like the evening. So the last product I got was this broad spectrum SPF 50 sunscreen serum. This hydrates, it has UVA, UVB protection and blue light protection. And I was really intrigued by this, guys, because I'm always looking for a good SPF sunscreen. One that's not greasy, one that doesn't feel heavy on the skin. So I am going to test this out right now, but this is the tube that it comes in, and it has this little nozzle, but it comes out white like that. And we'll rub it in. Ooh, it feels really nice. It's not greasy at all. And look at it, no white cast. And it has like a little glow to it too. Oh my gosh, it feels so good. It's like it sunk right into my hand. I love that. It doesn't have a scent at all. So yeah, I'm super excited about these ITK products. The fact that it doesn't have like parabens and synthetics, I love that. So 2 powders that I picked up, and you can get these at Walmart or at Target, but they're the Halo Glow setting powders. So I got both of these. One of them is like a light pink, and the other one is like a medium shade. I don't know if the medium shade's gonna work for me. It looks a little like beigey in the pot. So I don't know. I heard a lot about these. I heard someone talk about these saying that they were going viral on TikTok. I don't know, because I don't watch TikTok that often, but I do want to try these, and I want to try them in a like a get ready with me. So yeah, I'll probably definitely try these very soon with those Maybelline shadows. But yeah, I ended up getting these only because I heard somebody say that they were really nice on the skin. And then I got this at Walmart. This is the Milani foundation. It's a cream foundation. This one's in the shade Spiced Almond. And the reason I got this is because I heard Daisy Cash talk about this on her channel, and she said that you could use this as a bronzer, and we're about the same skin tone. So I thought, why not buy this and try it and see how it works. I have tried this as a foundation and I loved it. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna like this as far as the formulation, but I hope the color like suits me well and that it works. So yeah, that's why I got that. And then I got 2 products, 2 blushes at Camera Ready Cosmetics, and I bought the new Jouer Blush. This one is so stinking pretty. It comes with a blush and a bronzer, but the bronzer looks like it may be too light for me, but the blush is what got me. So this is what it looks like. It has that very bright pink bubblegum color blush, and then it has, of course, the bronzer, which, like I said, the bronzer is going to be too light for me, but it might be good like just to go over like cream bronzer. I don't know. I'm going to try it out, but I loved the blush. The blush is just gorgeous, and this is the shade Les Brights. That's what it's called. So I'm going to be trying that real soon. And then I got this from Illamasqueda. Here's what the packaging looks like, the outside packaging. And I got this because I wanted to use this like as a pop of color on top of that bright pink blush. This is so, so pretty, guys. It's a cream blush. It's gorgeous. And I did test it in store, and it comes off beautifully on the skin. But look at that. Oh my gosh, that is so, so pretty. And I honestly think that I could wear this like all year round. Even though it's like a bright pink, I can always like add it over another darker color or add it over a light color like the one in the Jouer palette. And the last products I got are lipstick products or lip products. These are the soft creams by NYX. I have heard a lot about these. I think I tried these back in the day, but my lips have always been so chapped, so I didn't like them, but now I kind of nourish my lips. I use a lot of lip masks, so I think these are gonna work okay. I do know that they're not as comfortable. They're a little bit more drying, but I still wanna try them, and I got 2 shades. I got Abu Dhabi and Stockholm. So I got these 2 shades right here, and I'm not gonna swatch them for you guys because I do wanna try them on camera on my lips, but they're so, so pretty. And then I got this Milani Keep It Full lip gloss. So this is like one of their lip plumping glosses, and I love the shade because it's like a gold shade, really gorgeous. So I do want to try that. And then I got the NYX Butter Gloss in clear. I love the NYX glosses that are the butter glosses. I also love the milky glosses, but I wanted this one because it's clear. I can wear it on its own, or I can wear it over lipstick. So yeah, so that's why I picked that up, because I already know that I like the formula of this. So some other lipsticks that I got are these Vinyl Super Stay lipsticks by Maybelline. I have 6 here, and I'm gonna do a lipstick kind of video where I try on all the shades for you, because the 6 shades that I got are new shades in the line. They're not existing shades. There are some new shades that are out there. here. I love the formula of this. I love how they go on. I love how they last. So that's why I bought the other shades, because I knew that I love the formula and I just wanted to have some of these newer shades for the fall. One of my favorites that I've already used is Peachy. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so pretty. And I have a favorite liner that I use with this that I'll have to show you guys later. Yeah, these are gonna be a solely just a lipstick video, quick here on YouTube, and you guys will see all the shades on my lips. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys everything that I got. I hope that you enjoyed this video. You will be seeing me do a lot of videos using a lot of these products because they're new and I want to share them with you. So anyway, thank you guys so much for being here. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Take care, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.